We're going out to like a little ghost town they call Jibo. It's probably 10 miles out of town or less. They winter them out there because the snow ain't as bad. We're gonna take them down by Shoshone, and as they get them branded up, they load them on trucks and haul them to their summer range. That's why we're going a little later in the day instead of first thing in the morning. They had to gather and brand this morning probably. Not leave any cracks or cattle will get their feet down in there and break their legs. We must have hit it. They give me the thumbs up. So now we'll load them. See what they got. Yo!
The road's pretty good over there. It might be soft in a couple spots, but I was there yesterday, so. And it was all dry, so.
Good luck. Yeah. So who's bringing the tractor?
We've got one over there, so.
Okay.
Ben's going ahead of you. He'll get the gates, and then I'll follow you guys, so. But I just wanted to let you know. And it's not bad until, like, right after you cross the creek. Just from there to the house is where it's a little soft. But other than that, it's really good, so.
Okay. We'll head that way.
Sorry about you, Ryan. You got it on back there?
Say again.
Looking for the Ryan trucks.
Yeah, you got one here.
All right, I'm going to slow her down to Minneapolis so you guys can get on into the canyon a little boogie in it. I'm going to be going slow through there.
Okay, we'll do. We'll get around you. Thanks.
What was he telling you?
He's going to be a little slow going through the canyon, so we're going to go around him in town. He's probably a seasoned trucker. Got to be careful going through town with these corners too. It ain't quite so bad yet, but when the tourists get here, they get right on the side of you. On hauling these cattle though, you don't get directions like you normally do. The first time I come out here, Tom Jr. was telling me how to get to this place, told me where to turn off there, and there's not a number address. You go on this road till you come to a tree, then take a left. That's my directions on how to get up here, and then follow that road to the end. You'll see.
girls.